Hello and welcome everyone. Today's video is about how to download anything from Pinterest website. Downloading pictures is relatively very easy. You just open the picture and you can just save it. But for the videos it's not that easy. Even if I open it, if I right click, I don't get option to download it. So you just need to copy the link of the video or any post. Go to this website pinterestdownloader.com. See download Pinterest video images and GIF online. Paste your link and click download. It will give you options. Just download the video and you can see it works here. And if you have any problem to download the images, you can do the same with the images. For example, copy the link of the image and paste it here. It will give you option what resolution you want the image to be. For example, I choose this one, so it's like low quality and small image. So yeah, just go back and you can just download in higher quality. That's it. I hope it will be helpful for you guys and will be very useful for the people who are wondering how to download. Thanks for watching.